Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shirley with Unboxing a Brand. Today we're going to be unboxing the Paul Valentine 2020 Advent Calendar, and I'm super excited to show you what's inside. So here's the box. It looks like it actually arrived directly from Germany. Paul Valentine is a German company, and if you go on their website, they say that they are inspired by the LA vibe, which is really interesting. This box was a little bit on the pricey side. It was $169 US. That also includes tax as well as shipping directly from Germany. So that actually is not too bad for an Advent calendar. And because we're not going anywhere this year for Christmas, I thought I'm just gonna treat myself. So I splurged and I bought this calendar. So when you open it, it looks like there is a packing slip. Oh, and then there's a 15% off site-wide coupon that's in here too. Okay, this is nicely packaged. It's definitely protected very well with like these foam inserts. Ooh, it's actually a lot thinner than I was expecting. Look. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this box is just beautiful. The box is in like this pale pink blush color with accents of gold foil too. This calendar is valued at 550 euros, which equals to about 657 US. I don't know if that's really true, but let's take a look inside. I'm so excited. Ooh, Paul Valentine, meet me under the mistletoe. And there's a little insert here. We hope you love our selection of products handpicked especially for you. So if you open it, sneak preview. Where is box number one? Oh, here. So the first item comes in a little dust bag, and it's probably jewelry. Oh, I did forget to mention, when you place your order, you actually have 3 different options. You could choose your jewelry colors. You can choose from silver, gold, or rose gold. This is a really dainty chain, and you can choose the length you want to wear it at. Ooh, this is super cute. Box number 2 is here. Ooh, mascara. This is Art Deco Angel Eyes Mascara. Open eyes, irresistible look. Made in Germany. Box number 3. Ooh, Naked. I think that's the brand. Naked hair clips. These are pretty. These are little, what are they? Tortoise shell looking like, but the clips are gold. These are hair clips that you can just like clip here like that. Box number 4 here. Yes. 4 is actually spelled out. I wonder if they send these out to people in Germany, they have everything in English, or do they have it in German? Maybe in English. So box number 4 is a pendant that goes onto the necklace that we got from day 1. And this is actually really high quality. It's like a little circle shaped pendant. Box number 5. Ooh, okay, so this is by Banana Beauty. I've never heard of that before. Prime Me Baby One More Time. And it comes in this like plastic tube. Creamy lip primer with plumping effect. Box number 6. Oh, here. Box number 6 looks like eyeshadow maybe? It's an empty eyeshadow box. And I'm guessing the colors are in a later date. There's a little slip in here, but everything is in German. I'm really hoping that the eyeshadow palettes are actually in here. Okay, strange. I'm gonna leave this here so that I can hopefully put in the eyeshadows later. Next is 7. These little boxes all have a little pull tab made of ribbon on the end of the box. It's really cute. Ooh, more hair clips. Also by Naked. I forget if I mentioned it, but Paul Valentine is a watch and jewelry company. Ooh, so one is a shiny metallic silver and one is more of a matte silver. Box number 8 here. And it was actually upside down. Box number 8 is another jewelry piece. These little dust bags are so cute. Oh, what's this? Does this go on your ear or something? Do you like just put it on your ear like this? I have to take a look here. So Paul Valentine jewelry is completely nickel free. Ear cuff. Yep. Okay. I feel like this will just fall off if I wear it. It's not really my style, but I guess if I wear it in the right spot, it'll stay put, but... Ah! Okay. See, that's what I mean. Next up is 9. 9, N-I-N-E. Ooh, a big box. Okay, so this is no makeup. Porenverfiner. Is that German? Serum. Okay, it's some type of serum. Vegan and cruelty free. And it comes in this like glass bottle. Ooh, this is a white glass bottle. Pore refining serum. There we go. English. Okay, interesting. It's very lightweight. And it smells really good. It smells like grapes. Ooh, I like this. I definitely need some pore refining serum. Day 10 here. Ooh, okay. So the next item, I think this is a scarf. Oh, it's a headband, I think. So this is also by Naked. And oh wow, look at that. It's like a elongated diamond shape in a leopard print. Roll it up and then cute. 11. Here we go. There's some packing material in here and oh, okay. On the inside, I see is the Art Deco eyeshadow. And this is the color Pearly Golden Peach. So you slide off the top and then you place it in. Ooh, there's a little magnet on the back. Ooh, cute. That was the first one. 12. Something else by Banana. On the side here it says peel me, like a banana. Oh, they want you to peel me like this. Ooh. Don't be moody. This is a lip gloss in Why Not? 13. 13 is here. Ooh, another jewelry item. This one, oh, another pendant. This has like a little tiny little pendant to go on your necklace. So I'm guessing this is the Christmas sparkle pendant. 14. Oh my goodness, so many boxes. Okay, ooh, another hair thingy. This is a hair clip, a ponytail clip, I think. Ooh, fancy. I really don't do much to my hair like on a day-to-day basis, but if I'm going somewhere or I want to look kind of put together, I can definitely use this. Cool. 15. Getting a little hungry. 15. Oh, okay. Another blush thingy. So blusher in Little Romance. And we will just add that here. 16. Box number 16. Ooh, another jewelry item. These little dust bags are so soft. They feel like those sponge things that come with like powdered makeup and you just like dap it on your face. Ooh, these are earrings. These are also silver, of course, because I chose silver for the box. Christmas spot ear studs, that's what they call it. Normally I would have chosen gold, but sometimes you just need a little bit of silver in your outfit, and that's why I chose silver. 17. Okay, so this is also by No Makeup, and this is eye cream. Awake Today. Your personal caffeine kick in the morning. Interesting packaging for eye cream. Usually comes in like a jar. Smells very similar to that serum that we just tried. And it's not very tacky. It's pretty lightweight. Okay, 18. 18. Where's 18? 18 is down here. 18 is a gold box. This is nail polish. Also by Art Deco in the color 610. Box 19. This is a big box, but it's very light. Scrunchies. Ooh, these are fancy scrunchies. These are made with like a chiffon material. Oh my goodness. So it comes in a cream color and also a black color. I recently had a baby, so now I'm wearing my hair up more than I do normally, and I will definitely put these in good use. Okay, box 20. 20 is a big long box. Ooh, something else by Banana Beauty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to peel this. Now I know what to do with this packaging. Ooh, another lip thing. This is Croco Loco. This is definitely more of a sultry color. It's like a mauve. So that was box 20. Box 21. We're almost there, guys. Another Paul Valentine jewelry. This looks like another ear cuff. I have to say it is made of a pretty good material. It feels very sturdy. Again, not so much my style because I feel like it's gonna fall out. And with a small baby around, like I hate to like have a fall and him grabbing it and putting it in his mouth and swallowing it. I know the chances of that happening is probably not very high, but that's just where I am in life. I don't really want to wear ear cuffs. Oh my god. You could also wear it on your nose. Oh my gosh. Okay, box number 23. Naked, nothing but style. That's the tagline. Oh, this is a headband. Nice. But I actually wear a lot of these types of hairbands. I just really hope that it's not too tight. Box 23 is here. Oh, what's this? Hydrating Mask, I think. It's also in German. Apply a thin layer of the mask evenly to the face, neck, and décolleté. I don't know how you pronounce that. It's not one of those like sheet masks. It's just like a normal mask. And this is like a foil packet, so it's kind of like a sample. I don't know if this box is actually worth $600 to be honest. Okay, so last day, box number 24. This hopefully is something big. Okay, the reason why I made a face is because it's another jewelry item and I'm looking over at my Art Deco thingy here and it's not filled up. There's room for either another blush or another 2 eyeshadow palettes. That's kind of disappointing. Like, you would assume that you would get everything that you needed here in one box. Where's that little sheet that came with it? So it looks like there's a code on here and everything is in German. I don't really know what it says. You either get a discount or you get it for free. I highly doubt that. So I'm gonna definitely have to look into that. Okay, so the last item in here, this is another charm for your necklace. It's like a little crystal. Okay, so this is the Holy Element pendant. The base material is silver, brass plating, rhodium stone, and labradorite. So I guess that's the name of the stone here. I'm gonna have to definitely try it on with the necklace to see what it looks like. I don't think it looks very good altogether. I think I did see a spoiler image where they showed all the pendants strung onto the necklace all at the same time. I just didn't really think that looked good, so I might probably just wear it separately. But that was the last item in the box. Usually day 24 is a little bit like more interesting or have more of a wow factor, but this one is just like, okay, another pendant for the necklace. And I'm really disappointed that I have to go buy another thing for here. Art Deco. I don't know if I remember seeing this brand, but I definitely know that I've seen these little eyeshadow palettes before. So let me do some digging. I might already have some that might fit here. If not, that's kind of disappointing. Overall, the box is okay. I don't really think it's worth $169. Definitely doesn't have $600 of value in here. Let me do some Google translating and see what this paper says and find out what's going on with these little palettes. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to try to unbox a different Advent calendar every single year. So next year, if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. I hope that you found this video enjoyable. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!